Hi friends, it's teacher Dana here at Moose Group. Now today we are going to be using our listening ears. We're going to be using our listening ears to hear different friends on the farm. So I'm going to share my screen and we are going to listen. What animal do you hear? I hear the hen. I hear a chicken. Buck, 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 buck. What animal do you hear? I hear a cow. Good job. What animal do you hear? I hear a pig. Good job. I hear a horse. Awesome. What animal do you hear? Turn on your listening ears. I hear a sheep. Good job. Oh, this one might be kind of tricky. Cock-a-doodle-doo. It was a rooster. We matched all of our animals. Now we're going to check out these ones. Are you ready? Okay, it's going to be tricky. I'm going to press the button and we're going to see which one we hear. And then we're going to pick. Did you hear it? Did that sound like a cow to you? Cows go moo. It wasn't a cow. Did it sound like a pig? Pigs go. No, it wasn't a pig. It was a hen. It was a hen. Let's listen and see what's next. Did you hear it? I'll play it one more time. Moo. Now, do you remember, did a pig make that sound? No, those are different sounds. What about a hen? No, wasn't a hen. It's a cow. It's a cow. Let's listen to the next sound. We know that a cow says moo and a hen says bok, 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 bok. So it's got to be our pig. Our pig goes. It's our pig. Good job. Okay, friends. What animal do we hear now? Let's listen. I'm going to play it one more time. Whoa. Do you think that it's the rooster? No, it's not the rooster. Is it the sheep? It's not the sheep. It's a horse. Our horse neighs. You're right. Let's listen and see what's next. Do you hear it? Bah. Does a rooster say bah? No, a rooster goes cock-a-doodle-doo. What about a cow? What does a cow say? Do you remember? It says moo. It's our sheep. Our sheep makes this noise. Our sheep. Good job. Okie dokie. Let's listen and see what's next. I wonder what it could be. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Which one could it be? We know that the cow says moo, that the pig goes. So it's the rooster. The rooster says cock-a-doodle-doo. Awesome, friends. Thank you for helping me listen and identify all of our animals on the farm today. I know that was a little tricky. I will see you next week in Moose Group. Bye, friends.